Hi, my name is Gabby Sessions with Realty Pros. I wanted to welcome you to this gorgeous 3-bedroom, 2 full bath home in the prestigious subdivision of Breakaway Trails. This home has recently been completely upgraded on the inside with custom cabinets and granite countertops throughout, brand new kitchen appliances and laminate flooring. And wait until you see this. As you walk into the master bedroom, you will find attached an absolutely stunning California closet. This house has so many more amenities to offer. Stop by our open house this Sunday from 3 to 5 p.m. Take a look around, fall in love, make an offer. Hope to see you then.